it's hot. It's hot outside, it's hot outside. I tell y'all, I'm about to crack open this computer, get a little bit of editing done. I'm here at the Chief shop. I ain't gonna front to y'all. I leave to Bali. I'm not gonna be smoking no more for another month or two, so. In Thailand, we was chiefing a little bit, you feel me? Then I'm gonna go get a haircut. Then I got Muay Thai class, well not class, but I'm gonna go train, get a haircut, stand on business. Got a lot of content to edit. I'm currently learning how to edit on DaVinci, so I've been learning a brand new editing software, so it's been slowing down my workflow. It's a brand new, it's like learning from scratch, damn near. But the color grading has been amazing, so if you're seeing this, I hope y'all fucking with the quality. I feel like the quality is a lot better. The editing's a little bit stranger for me, because it's a brand new software, but editing, it's gonna pick up. It's gonna get right. So I hope y'all enjoying this. Hit the like, hit the comment. I'm always grinding, working to elevate the content, elevate the storytelling, elevate the brand. So if you're rocking with it, hit the like, hit the subscribe. We work hard as content creators, although a lot of people give us shit because they hate. We work hard, bro. This is hard work to set up these cameras and edit, and it's a full-time job as well. It's just a different type of job. And we also have freedom, you feel me? But yeah, a whole lot of gang. What is good, fam? What is good, fam? It's your boy Joe Fit Johnson. We here at Mitte, one of my favorite cafes in Chiang Mai. They've got the breakfast bagel. I had it once, and I never had to get anything else, honestly. The bagel was just so good. I got different types of bagels, but it's just, I'm gonna show you. It's up here on the screen, it's fire. With the mango smoothie, with the cake, with the coffee, bro. I'm really getting treated just so nicely here, you know? And it's like, vibes, you feel me? It's just good vibes. Yo, I found out today this writing means, and I'm not for sure, could be wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna get this translated. We'll come back to that. So this mango smoothie is incredible. It's mango and coconut milk. Simple, delicious, perfect consistency. Mangoes and blueberries cut up on top. I came here like my second day, and I've been coming here like 2 days a week ever since. Then we got the Longan butter cake. I usually have this with some coffee. Should still get my coffee. This is incredible. Then the omelet. Oh, the omelet. The omelet with the croissant. And they season it, y'all. You know it's special when they season it. Alright, quick pit stop. Had to stop, grab my gloves. I'm about to go train. You know, I had me a watermelon in there, you feel me? Seated, of course. We are in Thailand. This just reminded me of my childhood. You know, these people, I just don't get it. I don't get why these people who run this world do that. Like, why I don't want us to have nice things? Serious. Seeded watermelon, seeded fruit, clean oceans, clean air. Oh, 'cause this real food. I'm telling y'all. That's all you need, dog. She from the city. I'm telling y'all. This shit hit different. Alright, and we are out. Let's go get this work. It is. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me.
fucking hot. Wearing a hat out here is dangerous. You get these pimples if you don't clean your face right. But just got to the gym. My battery may or may not be dying, so 8%. We're gonna see if y'all can work out with us today. They're already getting at it in there, so they got the class going on. I haven't really been doing the class much. I did it for a week, but now I just go in here and train, or I'll do PT, hire one of the trainers and get some work. But we're gonna chill around until they're done. I have to drop off this rental scooter today, so I had to come regardless. I was gonna just go lift and do some legs, but we're gonna go watch. We're gonna go see what's up.
Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me. She ain't never got time, but got good for me. She ain't tryna be mine, but she fuck with me. She the type to buy the bottles in the club with me. And she always checking in, see what's up with me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me.
Ooh, sun's setting. It's getting dark. Hopefully the quality doesn't drop, but it might, it will. It is what it is. We ain't getting it in, dog.
She the baddest in the friend group. And no good, she ain't ran through. Plus she got a bag, that's a big move. And she always come around with some good news.
Yo, getting that workout here in Thailand, where it's hot. It's my favorite. I like working out when it's hot, personally. That's why I couldn't be in Minnesota. Minnesota, too cold. Yo, cold states, automatic seasonal depression. Can't do it. Highly recommend getting out of there. If you're there, get out of there. My battery's about to die. We finna get this work in, though. Let's go.
She ain't with the drama, she ain't messy. Always good vibes, never testing. I should be a man, I'm suggesting. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Give it to me.
That is a wrap. Meet y'all at the crib. It's dark as hell. We in this bitch solo dolo. Hella mosquitoes.
Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Well, give it to me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like? Well, give it to me. Told her mama and the daddy she a blessing. She ain't with the drama, she ain't messy. Always good vibes, never testing. I should be a man, I'm suggesting. Is that what you want?